Hey, what is up guys, this is Valkovir. Have you ever wanted an affordable alternative of a Samsung Gear S3 Frontier but didn't get one? Now you have one choice, which is this TenFifteen F1 Smartwatch, which you can get in Gearbest.com with a discount on 4th Gearbest birthday deal with promotional code, and you can also guess our today's sponsor, which is Gearbest.com. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing and the review of the smartwatch. Let's start off with the unboxing. With a pretty minimal packaging, we have the smartwatch branding on top. On the back we have all the features, especially the sport mode, printed with a QR code for the app to operate the watch, as you can see. Opening up the box, first thing you will notice the beautifully presented smartwatch. Underneath that there is a user manual and another compartment where there is a USB 2.0 cable for charging the watch with a special protector of the front and a SIM ejecting tool, as the watch supports a micro SIM for calling and other special activities, as you can see. Taking a look at the watch, the strap is made out of silicone material, which is really comfy. As I'm holding this, on the back we have the heart rate sensor as well. So here's the left side of the watch with a microphone and a SIM tray. As I mentioned earlier, the SIM tray is made out of metal and pops into place easily. On the right there is a USB 2.0 port with a flap so that water cannot go inside it, and the power on off button, which is also the main key of this watch. One thing is that there is also a single speaker on the bottom, so you can hear through it when you are making a call or any notification that comes to this watch. Booting up the watch, first thing you will notice the smartwatch logo, as it takes a few seconds to boot up, then straight up to the watch face. Tapping onto the watch face, the default watch face will set the next watch face, as you can see. There are default 3 watch faces available in this watch, and further I think you can download more as well. Swiping down will take you to the quick toggles area where you can put the watch to silent mode, to vibration, to ringtone mode. Also a quick toggle for the QR code to scan it. Also the brightness adjustment is there along with the Bluetooth toggle. Another swipe down will calibrate the watch, then the stopwatch, heart rate monitor, sleep monitor and the steps counter as well. Swiping left, there is the menu for the different sports activities trackers such as walking, cycling, running and climbing. Swiping right will take you to the Bluetooth settings so that you can connect your phone via Bluetooth. On a bright daylight condition, the screen is quite bright so that you can see all the contents of the watch, such as battery and the date, etc. The watch is pretty lightweight so that the wrist won't hurt when you wear this for quite a long time, and the silicone band is very comfortable to wear, as you can see. Now let's talk about the features of this watch. First the stopwatch, then there is the hill climb mode. The heart rate monitor is average, meaning it's not super accurate, and also it takes some time to measure the heart rate. Also you can check the history of your heart rate that you have taken. Let's move on to the delightful feature of this watch, which is the ability to use a physical SIM card to take a call or a message from any provider with a micro SIM. As you can see, as I have put the SIM inside the watch, there is a network signal I get. So whenever I get a call in my phone, the watch shows the call so that I can answer the call with the smartwatch and talk with the microphone, as it has a microphone. To get the watch work with your phone, you need to download an app called Fundu. With the app, you can enable the notifications, which can directly interact with the watch and give you time-to-time notifications such as calls, text, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and etc. Also, there is a Find Device mode, so you can track your phone if you happen to lose it nearby. As you can see, this app will also sync with the watch to show the step counters, the calorie burns in your phone, which is very convenient. Here's the statistics per day, as you can see. And last but not least, the battery life of this smartwatch is pretty impressive. I've got straight 7 days with one single charge and connected via Bluetooth. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, peace out.